welcome back to the home and homestead. So today we'll be digging up some raspberry bushes. We have two different varieties. One was a very high yield and we enjoyed the berries. The others were very sweet but only made a couple little balls basically per raspberry. So I have a nice big raspberry the size of your thumb. So we're going to pull the smaller berry producing bushes out so the other ones can kind of fill in that area. They were really great last year. I was able to make some raspberry jam, so that was kind of exciting. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so my husband has a good start here already. On the foreground, this is where the raspberries were that we no longer wanted. He pulled those out. Here's our lawn hydrant right here. It's attached to our well in the house, so we can attach a hose and do some watering from this point, which is nice. You have a larger area to water. And then the remaining are the raspberry plants that we do like. So we'll add these raspberries here to the brush burn that we have going. Now we have the remaining raspberry plants that we like. Our lawn hydrant there. We'll put a little fencing back along the perimeter. We have some metal panels there that we use for fencing, for decorative, and it kind of helps keep the plants contained a little bit in there. Alright, on to the next project. Okay, so it's the next day. We finished up our projects, but it became too windy for us to do any more filming. So I could show you what we did yesterday. So to the right, inside of this arbor, is a Concord grape. To the left is a green grape variety. To the right is a blackberry plant that kind of goes over the arbor as well. And to the left here are some raspberry bushes that we actually like. My husband finished pulling out the variety we didn't care for over here by our lawn hydrant. And to the right are a real high yield raspberry that we've been enjoying, so hopefully that one will expand over into this space. I have some gladiola bulbs I was thinking of planting along the fence line inside of here just to add some nice color, and I can pick those for providing pretty gifts and things and to help decorate the house. Here we are towards our vegetable garden, which is in the foreground, and just past that are a couple of trees we're cutting down. We got half of one tree down yesterday, but the wind became too dangerous to keep working in. So we have some branches that need to be discarded. We'll probably do that next weekend. And then some logs we can cut up further. But then we'll take down this tree here and this one here. They've just become so large that they're shadowing the vegetable garden too much. And we want to get more sunlight there. So I hope you enjoyed this video today and seeing us work around the yard, where that inspires you to get outside and do some things around your property too and get prepared for this growing season. Hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.